taken?
The pigeons sit where they like.
Not many pigeons left.
The crows are hunting well.
The fruit is ready to be eaten.
The worm in the apple is a worm in the ear.
An earworm sings like a striking match.
Fire lights the candle.
The candle's song is yet unfinished.
Both ends may burn.
But neither last for long.
Longer than a diver's scream.
Shorter than his tank of air.
Probably. He means no harm.
He's really very short on charm.
But never shall it be.
Seem to be blowing bubbles again.
Fish dance in the bubbles.
Birds sing to the trees.
And the monkey screams at dawn.
Dawn and twilight blend.
The stars don't... Jesus, is 2 hours not long enough for this?
The baker must know the candlestick maker.
The baker and the candlestick maker went to the same school.
The sundial must know that clouds do not follow the light.
The sundial cannot tell time once dark has fallen.
Perhaps. Very well. We will say the glass is full.
Thank you.
What's on tap this evening?
Something red, but what still remains to be seen.
I must know.
Get used to disappointment.
I hope it is wine and not blood.
Wine is always aided when there's a harvest moon.
The moon rises above the storm.
The mist is thick, but the storm's heart sees the moon.
Will the moon sing for the clouds tonight?
A baritone in the choir is sick.
The third one this month.
Perhaps there's a flu going around.
It is not flu season.
Perhaps the flu is changing its season.
We shall have to inform the doctors.
Yes. Your purview, I believe.
You're the one who lives near the hospital.
Yes, but you were a nurse in a former life, I believe?
But you have far more knowledge of the higher arts.
My paint is acrylic. Besides, I am not left-handed.
Perhaps another artist can be found.
Can the gardener sing?
Yes, but not in a choir.
So, how does the lettuce know when it's ripe?
The lettuce is ripe when the sun tells it to be ripe.
And when the lettuce bed gets weeded?
The gardener is aware of the weeds.
Perhaps the garden should pull the weeds.
The gardener is not paid enough to pull these particular types of weeds.
The gardener's job is to keep the garden happy.
These are especially noxious weeds.
Don't let the pigeons eat them.
Healthy pigeons tell all.
I've always found northern ravens to be way more forthcoming.
The pigeons take less breaks.
And the ravens spread lettuce seeds much further afield.
All birds have their uses.
Finding stray lettuce sprouts is not for the weak of heart.
The gardener's song has but 3 intermissions.
Perhaps less intermissions would also mean less weeds.
When was the last time you used a spade?
Your arrow's point is sharp.
Have we left any stepping stones unturned?
Only those that have yet to be mortared.
Well, I'll see you again when the dust is washed from the clock tower.
And where the squirrel stacks his empty acorn caps.